Manger.
means to eat. In this video, we will learn the verb to eat in the present tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi.
Manger.
Is a regular verb, and it follows the same pattern that we have learned in earlier lesson, but with some slight variation. So, what is the variation? In order to keep the sound of J, we add an extra E in the first person plural form.
Nous.
Let's conjugate it in the present tense using this pattern. I eat.
Je mange.
You eat. Informal way.
Tu manges.
He eats. Masculine.
Il mange.
She eats. Feminine.
Elle mange.
We eat, or one eats, informal way.
On mange.
We eat, formal way.
Nous mangeons.
You eat, formal way.
Vous mangez.
They eat, group of males or mixed people.
Il mange.
They eat, group of only females.
Elle mange.
This French verb is used to communicate various aspects of eating, such as daily habits, preferences, and specific meals. As a vital part of everyday communication, this verb is essential for expressing one's relationship with food and dietary choices in the French language. Let's use these conjugations and build some sentences. For now, just concentrate on the verb conjugation. Building sentences will be taught in subsequent lessons. I eat an apple.
Je mange une pomme. Je mange une pomme.
You eat vegetables.
Tu manges des légumes. Tu manges des légumes.
He eats rice.
Il mange du riz. Il mange du riz.
She eats a salad.
Elle mange une salade. Elle mange une salade.
One eats fruits every day.
On mange des fruits tous les jours. On mange des fruits tous les jours.
We eat bread.
Nous mangeons du pain. Nous mangeons du pain.
You eat a pizza.
Vous mangez une pizza. Vous mangez une pizza.
They eat pasta.
Ils mangent des pâtes. Ils mangent des pâtes.
They eat fruits.
Elle mange des fruits. Elle mange des fruits.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time. If you are following my videos regularly, you will be aware of this subject pronoun table. I eat.
Je mange.
You eat.
Tu manges.
He eats.
Il mange.
She eats.
Elle mange.
We eat, or one eats.
On mange.
We eat.
Nous mangeons.
You eat.
Vous mangez.
They eat.
Il mange.
They eat.
Elle mange.
Some other verbs that follow the same pattern are listed below. In subsequent lessons, we will be learning about building the vocabulary and sentences. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.